Hello, Aylor here, and welcome back to today's episode. So in today's episode, I am going to be covering how you can drive more traffic to your Instagram using Pinterest. But first, if we've never met before, my name is Aylor. I help online entrepreneurs grow and skyrocket their businesses using the latest marketing strategies that work today. So let's go right on ahead and hop right on into it. Very first thing I am going to do is we're going to find which piece of content do we want to post onto Pinterest. Let's say I'm wanting to post this piece of content. So I'm going to first copy the link to this post. Then you want to make sure that you are creating a vertical image. That is what performs well for Pinterest. So you can even just say Pinterest, a Pinterest pin, okay? Find one if you want. You can replace the picture on Canva. That's what I'm using right now. It's canva.com or the app. You can find something that you like and just add some font, or you can put your picture on it. But the main thing is you want to make sure that it's eye-catching when you post it. So this piece of content is stop relying on hashtags alone to get discovered. Well, I could actually say something like, use this strategy instead of hashtags to get discovered, or use this strategy along with hashtags to get discovered. Or do you know about this new strategy to get discovered without using hashtags? Something that's going to be kind of like a reason to make someone want to click on that piece of content when they see it on Pinterest. So I would create that piece of content. Let's just say that I am going to create this piece, and I'm not going to edit it. That way I can just speed up this video a little bit, and then I'll just save it instead of editing it. And then what I'll actually do once it saves, I will go back over here to Pinterest, and I already copied the link to the post. So I'm going to just grab exactly what I want. I want it to be a pin. I want it to be this one right here. Next. Then I'm going to give it a title, like I said, something real catchy. Then you want to make sure that it has the keywords in it that you're wanting to be found for, because this is a visual search engine optimization platform. So you're not using slang words. And then in the description as well, you want to make sure that you're saying how you can get discovered using alternate text, or whatever that thing is that correlates and explains what that piece of content is. So all of this needs to be extremely eye-catching for the person to want to click. And then you're going to put the destination website. Then it would say, let's just say this, just for an example, then ask for the website. You would be able to paste the link to your Instagram right there, and you can even test it out by hitting go. It is going to bring me back to that piece of content, and then you click next and you'll be able to post it. But because this is an example, I'm not actually going to post it. Start doing this with your main content pieces that you want to drive traffic to, or whatever it is. Start utilizing this strategy, because it can drive you so much to your Instagram or whatever you're wanting to drive traffic to. Also, Tailwind. I love using Tailwind. I will link it below, where you can actually schedule all of your posts to post at the peak times, at the best times, to boards, to tribes, to really automate this. So it's something that you're not having to even think about. Once you set it and leave it, and it is working on autopilot. It's a beautiful thing, and I get so much traffic from doing this alone, and it's completely free. Tailwind, there is a free trial if you want to get started with my link, and then after that, if you decide to continue, then you can get it for as little as, like, I think $15 a month. So I hope this helped. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So you can do this with a lot of things. It doesn't have to be Instagram that you're using Pinterest for. You can use it to drive more traffic to your blog. You can use it to drive more traffic to your YouTube channel or your YouTube videos, your email list, whatever that thing is. I love using Pinterest because it is search engine optimized, and for that reason, people find you based off of specific searches. So if you're not utilizing it, start utilizing it today, and let's start getting you more traffic to your brand, your website, your Instagram, your YouTube channel, whatever that thing is. If you enjoyed this and want more weekly tips and training on online strategies and marketing strategies, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell. That way you are notified with each weekly episode that I put up.